Frederick Lewis Aldama. Frederick Lewis Aldama is an American academic, known for this work as the Jacob and Francis Sanger Mosca Che in the Humanities, founder and director of the Latinx Pop Lab, and affiliate faculty in radio, TV, film at the University of Texas, Austin, an adjunct professor and distinguished university professor at The Ohio State University. He teaches courses on Latinx comics, TV, and film in the departments of English and radio, television, film. At The Ohio State University, he was Distinguished University Professor, Arts and Humanities Distinguished Professor of English, University Distinguished Scholar, and Alumni Distinguished Teacher, as well as recipient of the Roderick Bottoman Award for Distinguished Teaching and Mentoring and the Susan M. Hartman Mentoring and Leadership Award. At The Ohio State University, he was founder and director of the award-winning Laser/Latinx Space for Enrichment Research and founder and co-director of the Humanities and Cooperative Sciences High School Summer Institute. Aldama is the creator and curator of the Planetary Republic of Comics. Early life and education. Aldama was born in Mexico City to a Guatemalan and Irish-American mother from Los Angeles and a Mexican father from Mexico City. When he was a child, his mother moved the family to California. He received his undergraduate degree in English from the University of California, Berkeley in 1992 and obtained his PhD from Stanford University in 1999. Career. Aldama is an author of fiction and comics as well as a scholar and professor who uses insights from narrative theory, cognitive science, and Latinx critical cultural theory to enrich understanding of the creation, distribution, and consumption of Latinx pop cultural phenomena, especially comic books, TV, and film. He is book series editor of the Latinx and Latin American Profiles with the University of Pittsburgh Press that publishes scholarship on innovative Latinx cultural figures such as reading Do Not Dias and poets, philosophers, lovers on the writings of Janina Braska. He also edits a global media and race and critical graphic series with Rutgers University Press. He co-edits Latinx pop culture for University of Arizona Press as well as the World Comics and Graphic Nonfiction series for the University of Texas Press. Aldama edits the Latinographics, a comic book series that showcases graphic novels, memoir, and nonfiction by Latinx writers and artists, including Tales from La Vida, a Latinx comics anthology, and United States of Banana, a graphic novel by Janina Braska and Joachim Lindengren. In 2017, Aldama published his first book of fiction, Long Stories Cut Short, Fictions from the Borderlands. His flash fiction style depicts marginalized Latinx lives on both sides of the US/Mexico border. He is the author of the children's books With Papa and The Adventures of Charlie the Chupacabra. He produced the first documentary film on the history of Latinx superheroes in mainstream comics. He co-founded and directed of Con, the Brown, Black, and Indigenous Comics Expo. He is founder and director of the Latinx Pop Lab, BIPOC Comics and Multimedia Arts Expo and Symposium at UT Austin, the nation's only collegiate comic book expo that focuses on the work of BIPOC scholars, artists, writers, editors, filmmakers, and illustrators. He served on the Executive Council of the International Society for the Study of Narrative from 2013 to 2015, and serves on the advisory boards for journals such as Narrative, Inc.'s The Journal of Comics Society, MELIS, and Journal of Narrative Theory. He is a member of the board for the Oxford Bibliographies in Latino Studies. He is an associate editor of American Book Review and judge for the TIL/Texas Institute of Letters. Essays and interviews. Aldama's articles, reviews, and interviews have appeared in Aslan, College Literature, Poets and Writers, World Literature Today, Cross-Cultural Poetics, Late, Literature Interpretation Theory, Lucero, Comparative Literature, the Kalali Journal, Nepentla, Journal of Interdisciplinary Literary Analysis, American Literature, Latin American Research Review, Modern Fiction Studies, Modern Drama, Substance, Style, Image Text, Latino Studies Projections, the Journal of Movies and Mind, Alter/Natives, Latin American Cultural Studies Journal, and Journal of the West. Interviews with Aldama have appeared in ABC News, PBS, Fox News Latino, CNN, Foxy, MSNBC, Telemundo, The Washington Post, The New York Times, The LARB, and Channel 10 News. Selected awards. 2018-2019 Susan M. Hopman Mentoring and Leadership Award. 2018-2019 Vodka Celsius Bottoman Award for Distinguished Undergraduate Teaching and Mentoring. 2018 Eisner Award for Best Academic/Scholarly Work for Latin Superheroes in Mainstream Comics. 2018 International Latino Book Award for Best Nonfiction. 2017 Alumni Award for Distinguished Teaching and inducted into the Academy of Teaching. 2016 American Association of Hispanics in Higher Education's Outstanding Latino/Faculty Award. 2016 Ohio Education Summit Award. 2015 White House Hispanic Education Bright Spot Award for founding and directing LASA. 2014 Arts and Humanities Distinguished Professor. 2014 University Emerging Community Engagement Award. 2008 University Distinguished Diversity Enhancement Award. 2004 MLA Award Outstanding Solo Book Chicanas/Latino Studies for Dancing with Ghosts, a critical biography of Archer Aila's 1999 Forward Foundation Fellowship. As author, Los Adventures de Chupacabra Charlie. Latinographics. Illustrations by Chris Escobar. Translation by Sonia Rodriguez Salazar. Columbus, Mad Creek Books, August 2021. ISBN 978-8142-5801-9. As editor. Aldama, Frederick, Lewis, Woodwire, Tess, and Stavans Ilan. Poets, Philosophers, Lovers, and the Writings of Janina Braskai. Latinx and Latin American Profiles. Pittsburgh, Pott, University of Pittsburgh Press. October 2020. 9,780,822,946,182. United States of Banana, a graphic novel by Janina Braskai and Joachim Lindengren. Introduction Smith, Amanda M. Sharon. Columbus, The Ohio State University Press. 2021.